Hey guys, TheTechOtaku here, and I want to do a video since The Verge took down their worst PC build guide ever due to quote-unquote manufactural errors. And also I want to talk about things that I have been missed since the last video. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, before I start off the topic, my last video went viral in under 2 days. I noticed it and I was like, whoa, thank you so much for the support on the last video. Like, I never expect the view counter going nuts on my terrible commentary video. Anyways, after I made the video, The Verge took down the video due to quote-unquote manufactural errors. Like, here is a community post by The Verge. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and read it for you guys. So prepare your nuts again. Last week, The Verge published a video on how to build a gaming PC. Today, we're pulling that video off our YouTube and Facebook pages because it contains some minor factual errors. That in some do not meet our editorial standards. I also want to reiterate. I suck at English sometimes. That The Verge has zero tolerance for internet harassment campaigns, and we will automatically disregard any feedback that appears to be in bad faith or part of such a campaign. As many of you know, we are happy to engage openly with our audiences across our platforms. But over the weekend, multiple people on our staff have been subject to a wave of attacks, including hundreds of racist attacks on the host of our video.
Excuse me, what?
We simply will not listen to feedback that is associated with these campaigns or the people who direct such campaigns. We'll eventually make another video on how to build PC. It'll be good. See you out there. And what kind of manufactural errors you're talking about? The host's error will make people ruin their expensive PC parts. Like, ugh, it's not a minor error, it's
major errors.
I kinda wish The Verge made a PC build guide properly. I mean, look, I'm not the one that was in the campaign just to bully the host. Like, I'm not one of those young kids that say something racist to him. Seriously, I just talk about the PC that he built improperly. Like, this is so wrong, that's it. So TechTubers called the host from PC Build Guide video out that he's not the real journalist, and hopefully they would do the right thing. Oh man, those replies from those people though. And I'm gonna throw myself to the wall. Okay, no topans. I cannot explain this properly anymore, I have to admit. Anyway, moving on to the things that I might have been missed from the last video. From beginning to finish. I don't want the last video to be that long because video rendering is very slow due to how bad my laptop was. Oof. After watching some TechTubers who made a complaint video of the horrible PC build guide, now I realize something missing. Thanks to you guys who commented from my last video about not showing the benchmark part, which I'll get to last. Here's something missing. First up, he called the zip ties as tweezers, and I'm like, what?
A thermal paste applicator, an Allen wrench, some tweezers to tighten up the wires,
What, are you retarded?
This is how the tweezers supposed to look like, for sake.
Language.
That's another noticeable retarded thing he did, which I forgot to put on. I know that's not new to us, but calling the proper items as an incorrect name sounds definitely wrong. Also, he mentioned anti-static wrist strap in the video before he begins the build. As I paused the video of the worst PC build guide I downloaded before it got taken down.
and last but not least, an anti-static bracelet, which is to protect you and the parts. These are the parts you're gonna—
I noticed he uses a noble band rather than the anti-static wristband. Like, what? The anti-static wristband should have a crocodile clip thing with spring wires attached to the band itself. Well, some people don't use the band, but I'm completely fine building a PC without it since I don't have it on hand. Still a good idea to put it on before begin the building or taking the computer apart, just to protect yourself from static in order to prevent electrostatic discharge or ESD, whatever you wanna call. God, I cannot speak properly while recording. Jeez. Second of all, he didn't show the front panel connection. Yup, front panel guys. I doubt he plugged the front panel connectors onto the motherboard off camera. It's important for all PC builds out there so that the front panel I/O and the power switch of the case were working. Front panel connectors are a pain in the butt to connect to the front panel headers of the motherboard, but it's totally worth it just to make sure the power button is working. Last but not least, since you guys requested that I miss the benchmark part. Whoops. He benchmarked his fully built PC, but he used LOL or League of Legends, whatever we wanna call it, to benchmark it.
Excuse me, what the that?
But otherwise, like, this is pretty much what you would see me do on a gaming computer. Test stuff out, and hopefully have really high frame rates like I am right now.
He could have gone with 3D Mark or Passmark or whatever benchmark programs to benchmark a computer to see if the score is good enough. You can check the temperatures using hardware monitor or whatever. It's a handy program to check the CPU temps or something like that. He built a PC just to play Battlefield 5 or Cyber something. I mean, it's fine I guess, but I think that's about the things I have been missed on the last video. Thanks to you guys for letting me know. So thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on a recent upload like this. I hope I can make a tech video rather than this commentary. Oh my god. If The Verge uploaded the PC build guide with some changes that is still bad and misleading, well, I don't know what to say. Anyway, TheTechOtaku signing out. Peace out.